In case of weak ligand, if there is a weak ligand, then what happen? Electron accommodate in outer d, that is first electron accommodate 4s, then 4p, then 4d in case of weak ligand. Now if weak ligand, then accommodate s, p, d, so on, so it undergoes outer d orbital. This is said to be outer d orbital. Electron accommodate outer d orbital. So here energy level same 4 4 4, so it is high spin and there is a no repulsion in 3d orbitals electron because of weak ligand. Then there is according to this we will fill the electron and we will get inner d outer d. Then its spin, here spin is high because energy level same. Due to same energy level its spin is high. Then magnetic property. Magnetic property, while we will discussing magnetic, maybe it is a paramagnetic or diamagnetic. If it is a paramagnetic means containing unpaired electron. If any one electron unpaired or more than one electron unpaired, then it is said to be paramagnetic. If all paired, that is diamagnetic. While finding the magnetic property, after that we will calculate magnetic movement. Magnetic movement, that is mu, and its unit is Bohr magneton. This magnetic movement is calculated by formula mu is equal to under root n plus 2. n plus 2 is a formula for magnetic moment that is calculated, and it is always unit Bohr magneton. n plus 2 under root n plus 2 is a formula for magneton. So that we will calculate these value on the basis of the finding hybridization state of coordination compound. Now here we will discuss one example for you, that is hybridization state of hexacyanoferrate 2 ion. Hexacyanoferrate 2 ion, that is the formula is FeCN6 4. FeCN6 4 ion. Now see here, that 4 ion is negative, right? So here first find out the oxidation number of Fe iron. While calculating oxidation number of iron, it is always become 2. So the in ground state, as we know, the electronic configuration of iron atomic number 26 and it contain 26 electrons. So while writing its electronic configuration, you have 4s2 3d6. Now after that Fe2 plus, here Fe2 plus will give 4s0 3d6, means here in 3d 6 electrons are there, and in case of 4s 0 electron, that is the configuration of Fe2 plus. Now here we have cyanide as a strong ligand. Strong ligand means we know that the concept strong ligand means repulsion takes place of inner orbital 3d. Now see, while writing electronic configuration, we will write 3d 6 5 block of 3d. It is accommodate all electrons singly, then one paired, means 4 electrons are unpaired in Fe2 plus 3d orbital. Now 4s0 4p 0. Now after that what happened, when we will try to fill ligand, that is cyanide is a strong ligand. So what happened, it repelled the unpaired electron of d orbital. So what happened, all electrons gets paired. So here 3 orbitals of d are accommodate fully, right? Because 6 electrons are there, they accommodate fully 3. 2 are vacant. So while writing ligand's electron, the 2 electron first accommodate by ligand cyanide, then next electron accommodate in s orbital, then 3p. So here electron of ligand, that is cyanide, accommodate 2 orbitals of d, 1 orbitals of s and 3 orbital of p. तो 2d, that is 3d में 2 electrons accommodate हुआ. In case of 4s 2 electron, in case of 3px py pz all electron accommodates by ligand. So overall when we will find all electrons which are participating by the ligand, that is 2d2 1sp3. So here configuration, according to configuration, its hybridization state is D2sp3, is a hybridization state of FeCN6 4 minus D2sp3, right? After that, it is according to its configuration, according to the nature of ligand, it is a strong ligand, so that it is a inner d orbital, and also it is a diamagnetic because no unpaired electron is present, so that it is diamagnetic. It is inner d orbital, magnetic moment is 0. So this is the geometry and its structure while drawing. Because of there are 6 ligands, so its structure is octahedral. Its structure is octahedral. Then this is the geometry we will discuss. Now after that we will discuss the next example of another compounds.